Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are welcome to the DLD, and today we are going for this half adder. You can see here I have given a combinational circuit here or combination logic whatever you say here. The left hand side you can check it here. Here we will have two inputs. If you check it here, yeah. Oh, I have removed this one. Okay, I connected here first one. Give me 1 minute. So you can check it here. We are having two inputs A and B, and this is the combinational circuit it is given. Inside the circuit, what will be there? Inside this box, this circuit will be there like this. So you can see it here. Two inputs A and B it is given, and here one will be the output. Two output also it is coming. One is the sum and another is the carry. For example, suppose I add 0 plus 0. 0 when added to 0, the sum is equal to 0 and there is no carry is equal to 0. 0 plus 1, then this is the truth table, then here sum is equal to 1 and there is no carry, and 1 plus 0, sum is equal to 1 and there is no carry. When 1 plus 1, then 1 plus 1 it becomes 2, and 2 is represented, you know all the things, no, you know all the things how to go for the addition. 1 plus 1 it becomes 2, 2 is represented by 1 0. You got it now. So in this way we can represent it, and here the sum is equal to 0 and the carry is equal to 1. Only this is the case when there is a carry while you are going for this two input, right? So now in a half adder we can come to a conclusion like this. It takes two input and gives two output. Here these are the two inputs, it is given A, B, and the output is the sum as well as the carry, and one is sum, the other is carry. Okay, that I have given it here. Then sum S is executed using the exclusive OR gate. You see how it comes. You see, if you minutely observe this thing, 0 0 0 1 1 0, when the inputs are opposite 0 1 or 1 0, the output is equal to 1. This cases it is 1, this case is 1. You see, observe, 0 0 it is 0 and 1 1 0. When it is 0 1 it is 1, and when it is 1 0 it is equal to 1. Then this is a clear case when we go for the exclusive or XOR or whatever you say. So that sum we can represent the exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate it is represented as equal to complements of A, B plus A into complements of B, or we can say it is represented as exclusive OR gate, XOR, right. Then coming to the carry. The carry, you see, the first cases when it is 0 0, then it is 0, and 0 1 it is 0, and 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. If you see, if I take it as a AND gate, 0 and 0 it is 0, and 0 and 1 it is also 0, and 1 and 0 is equal to 0, and 1 and 1 is equal to 1. You got it now? So that means this carry, the same input is taking A and B. For the same input, if you take the exclusive OR, it becomes the sum, and for the same input you go for the AND, it becomes the carry. You got it now? The same thing it is done here. You see here, in this combinational circuit, two inputs A, B takes binary input. So it can be 0 or 1, whatever things. A can be 0 or it can be 1, B can be 0 and 1. Inside the box, which is the box? So you can see this is the box it is given here. Inside the box here, the given circuit is given below like that. This is the circuit it is given there inside this box, because this circuit will be implemented here inside this half order box, right. Now the exclusive OR produces the sum, as I told you that this is the exclusive OR, it is producing the sum, and the AND producing the carry. This AND it is producing the carry, which is equal to A into B or whatever you say. And this exclusive OR it can be represented by complements of A into B plus A into B complements. It can be done. Say how it happens is 0 plus 1. You see, when it is 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 it is 1. So there is no carry for that one. So carry I write it 0. And what is 1 plus 1? So how it happens, you see, you say 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1 it should be 2. 1 plus 1 should be 2. But how to represent binary number? This is 0 and 1, like this it is going down. If you want 2 to the power 1, that means 0 into 2 to the power 0, sorry, 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, right, up to this. That means here there must be 1, and because it is 0, here must be 0. That's why when you add 1 plus 1, it becomes 1 0. It is not that 2 in decimal number system, it is 2. In the binary number system, it becomes 1 0. Are you following me? How we are getting 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0? I am telling 1 means it is 0 1. Here 1 means it is 0 1, and when you add it 1 plus 1, it is 0 and carry 1, and this carry 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, so it becomes 1 0, right? Like, you got it now? So if you are following all the things, the entire thing should be done based on that one. You got it now? So now this is the half adder, and you can see clearly. Again I am revising. Then we will have two inputs, A and B. So all these inputs is taken only binary number systems, 0 and 1. 0, it can be 0 or it can be 1. Then inside the half adder circuit, you are having two things. One is the exclusive OR or XOR, and another one is the AND. Okay. So this exclusive OR is responsible for this sum, because I have shown you the truth table. Whatever the output we are getting, it is based on this exclusive OR only. Because you, again I am repeating here, and again I am showing you here. This when it is the 0 and 1 and 1 and 0, in those cases only output is equal to, the sum is equal to 1. Other cases it is 0. That means when it is 0 0, it is 1 1. Both the cases it is 0. So that is the clear cut case of exclusive OR. Similarly, when you are getting the carry, in the carry you see, if you minutely observe, 0 into 0 is equal to 0, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, 1 and 0 is equal to 0, and 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That means it is represented by this AND gate, right? So this is the circuit, it is there inside this box here. Whatever the combinational circuit we are telling it there, and when we are giving the input, it can go for this adding of two things. So I hope you are following this half adder. If you really like this video, please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe, and you can write comments to send the next half, that is the full adder, then the half subtractor, full subtractor, everything I will be giving the things you. So please take care of your health, and have a good day. Thank you.